विसवरान तुमकां परत एक फावट येवकार. जपानांतलो जे लीग हो संवसारांतलो एक बऱ्यापैकी टुर्नामेंट म्हणून AIFFन I-League क्लबाचे प्रतिनिधींक जपानांत तो पळोवपाक व्हेल्ले. तातूंतल्यान तांकां बरेंच शिकपाक मेळ्ळां. स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवा, धेंपो आनी साळगांवकार क्लबाचे प्रतिनिधी जपानांत वचून आयल्यात. ते म्हणटात जे लीगाचे मार्केटिंग बऱ्यापैकी जाल्ल्यान लोक खूब येतात. थंयच्यो कांय गजाली हांगाय करूं येतात. हो पळयात खासा रिपोर्ट.
साळगांवकार स्पोर्ट्स क्लब, स्पोर्टिंग क्लब आनी धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाच्या प्रतिनिधींनी थंयचे अनुभव सांगले.
When we went to Japan, we saw that the structure of J-League was somewhat similar to that of India when it comes to ownership of the clubs. Most of the clubs were owned by the public limited companies in Japan like Nissan, Mitsubishi, Japan Electric and lot of other companies. What used to happen is before 1993, all these clubs used to play with their company names in the J-League, in the Japanese league. It wasn't J-League that time. So when J-League happened in 1993, all the clubs kept the ownership intact, but they changed their names to be very city specific. It was a very good learning experience for us. We saw all the kind of merchandising that they were doing, the way they were organizing their matches, the way they were getting volunteers to organize all the matches, and it was an amazing experience.
GFAचो आधार नासतना हांगा I-League मॅच घडोवन हाडपी स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवा हो गोंयचो एकच क्लब. जे लिगांतल्यान तांकां बरें शिकपाक मेळ्ळां.
Maybe in future, maybe 5 years down the line, whatever we have learnt, we can implement. But right now, I can tell you straight away that we are in a position to organize our 13 matches as required by AFF and AFC.
There are different things what we can do because I'm part of GFA also for many years. But what we need is like you need boys accompanying the team. Then you can do like escorts, volunteers. Then we can have some entertainment during the interval time or before the match. But problem here is people come for matches when it is just 10 minutes to go.
Any plans of taking some kiosks of Sporting Club de Goa out there at Fatoda and selling your merchandise and getting the fans even more closer to Sporting?
Yeah, that we have already planned. That we are going to surely do this time.
We don't associate Japan on par with the European football countries, but what we saw there was absolutely fantastic, and probably they are on par or maybe even slightly better than France or Netherlands or some of the European countries that don't have a very big league. On paper they are the 7th best league in the world, but from what I saw they are probably 4th or 5th in the world. I think the major issue what we are not doing right now is marketing and proper fan development activities, and we are not doing enough to build our fan base. I think that is addressed very well in Japan. There's a lot of community development, a lot of fan development activities, a lot of activities held to build the fan base of the clubs, and this is where we are lacking, I think, in India.
प्रुडंट मीडिया खातीर आमचो खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा आणि चलचित्र खबराकार देवेंद्र गांवकार.
19वे राष्ट्रीय सब ज्युनियर तायक्वांडो सर्तींत मणिपुरान पेजात कामगिरी केली. महाराष्ट्र आणि उत्तराखंडाच्या पंगडांनी बरो खेळ दाखयलो.
मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत आणि हेर मानेस्तांनी इनामां भेटयली. उत्तराखंडाक तिसरी सुवात फावो जाली. हातूंत महाराष्ट्र दुसरे जाल्यार मणिपूर पयले आयले. ही पळयात फायनलीची कांय खिनचित्रां. फातोर्डेच्यान आमचो खबराकार रमेश नायक रावत.
आनी इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.